Hi everyone, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. The other tutorial, awesome tutorials are coming right up. So last tutorial I was showing you how to create this beautiful moon card, and then we use this Call of the Wind combo set, and I only use the wolf, and then the other half I'm going to show you how to make this card. Something fast and quick, but it's just amazing. Okay, so we are going to use our magic mushrooms again, and this time I added two more colors. So we are going to have a number 100 Dandelion, number 200 Tangelo, number 703 Pear Tart, number 601 Bahama Blue, number 501 Lily Posette, number 500 Grape Lily, Jelly, number 800 Rich Cocoa, number 900 Tuxedo Black. Like I say, you don't have to use exactly the same impact I do. You can use Marvy Tinho's impact. Just have a color chart. Okay, a color chart like that, and then just mark, oh, I need a little bit yellow, I need a little bit orange, I need a little bit green. Just something similar like these, they work just fine. But I love Memento because they do have re-inker. If your impact is a little bit dry, you can just re-ink and they will last forever. I hope they don't discontinue it. Okay, so we're going to use the watercolor cardstock again, and remember, it's a good idea to do a screenshot or download this picture from Facebook, so that way it gives you some idea where you can put what color. Okay, so first we're going to use our yellow mushroom, and those mushrooms are awesome because you can use the top to do the blending, but this time we are going to use the side to do some drawing. Okay, so we are going to use the first color, and then instead of a brush on the top, we are going to use the side, kind of pick up some color, and then we are going to just draw a line like this, and then we're going to pick up more color. Okay, just draw like a curve. Okay, start with the yellow. Okay, you can put the two line. Why not? Okay, now we're going to use the orange. So I have my card right in front of me, so that way give me some idea. And again, instead of you do the top, you're going to use the side. Okay, and we're going to kind of drawing. Try to start your drawing line from your scrap paper, so that way they don't show a star spot. Okay, so one direction. When you kind of brush it, so you will start like a little dark color, it getting softer. So from the right side, from the left side, just one direction, or you can go like that. Anything you like. We're going to use the red one to put a little bit Lily Posette. Okay, again, use the side. Okay, push harder, and then they will get a softener. Okay, and then I am going to use our purple color to pick up some grape jelly. And remember, purple color is kind of heavy, so be careful. And this time we do the side because we want to see those strokes, right? And then I am going to do the green, so we're going to use the Pear Tart side. So remember, brush from the side, and okay, and we're going to use a blue to pick up a little bit Bahama Blue. You know, this is really interesting because every time when I make a sample card, it all looks different, even though I use the same technique. Now I'm going to come back to yellow again. So use the side, pick up a more yellow color, kind of just brush on top. Don't worry about ruining your mushroom. If they get dirty, kind of just squeeze the dirty surface. And then use the Kleenex, kind of absorb. So they come as a set, 10 mushroom a set. They come with 10 individual containers like that, and then they come with 2 acrylic holding bases. We are doing a special promotion, so for the first 100 orders you will get a free shipping and you will get the free holding bases. After our promotion, we almost reach our first 100 set order. After the 100 set, we are going to charge you the base for $12.99, and we are going to start to charge the shipping fee. And we are going to use our brown color, and then we kind of just fitted out the rest of the picture, the space. Okay. Okay, now I am going to use a piece of scrap paper. Okay, so I just use a piece of scrap paper and tear the edge of here, and then I am going to use my black mushroom and then pick up the black color and kind just create a ground for my wolf. So it's a very nice coverage. And then for the sky, I'm going to put this corner a little bit darker, and I am going to put the sun silver star on top. So kind of just rub on top. There you go. See, exactly the same technique, looks totally different. So I'm going to do a little bit darker. That's it. And then we're going to use our Art Crest watercolor again. So I'm going to use a silver color, and I am going to just tap in some stars here. So just gently, and be careful, don't hit your the hair part, your brush. Try to heal the metal part. If you hit the brush part, something ugly is going to happen. Don't believe me, give it a try, you will see. Okay, so while we're waiting this one to dry, so I am going to bring back my paw of the wild, and I'm going to trimming it. I'm going to show you something else. Okay, so this one, I just use 1.5 inches circle punch. I just punch this one. I just use a white cardstock, and I use my mushroom just color, and then by this one I kind of want to do the yellow one. So after I punch with my 1.5 inches circle punch, I just use my orange mushroom, kind of give a little bit color, and they are perfectly fit. So we're going to just glue it. Voila! So this is my final project. Okay, so this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. I hope you enjoy our tutorial, and please click the share buttons and share this awesome website with your friends. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned, more tutorial coming soon.